What to do if Instagram deletes your post? Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how we can recover our deleted post on Instagram. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the solutions. First thing first, before panicking, you need to check up your archive. Head over to your profile at the bottom right corner and tap on the menu bar at the top right. And you can find this option called archive here. Just go ahead and tap on it. And you can go to post archive where you'll be finding the archives of your post. So sometimes Instagram automatically archives your post instead of deleting them. If you find it right here, you can tap on the three horizontal lines at the top. And otherwise, you can also go to the post and tap on the three horizontal lines and tap on the show on profile to bring it back on your profile. Another thing is sometimes if your internet connection is weak or unstable, that may be the reason that may have happened. So make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or have a good data signal. And if the post is there, try refreshing your app and that might solve the issue. Apart from that, another thing is to consider is whether you have violated the Instagram community guidelines. Instagram can remove if they think they breach the rules. So check your notifications for any kind of messages from the Instagram saying that your post was removed. If it was, you can appeal the decision directly from the notification. Another thing is going to your settings again. Go to your profile at the bottom right. Head over to the menu bar at the top right. And once you're here, sometimes your post may be hidden if your account was set to private or there was any temporary restriction placed on your account. So if your account is private, you can go ahead and set it up to public and see if anything looks up or like any kind of restrictions or post or visibility. If you recently changed settings, that could be the issue. And finally, if none of those work, don't be afraid to contact the Instagram support team. You can go to their help center and report a problem and explain exactly what happened. And if there's any chance, they can help you restore your deleted posts. They are not always quick to respond, but it is worth a shot. So there you have it. These are the 5 ways you can try to recover your deleted post on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful to you, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.